Let me know. I don't think you introduced yourself. What would be the first step or first thing in order to learn data science? I have a roadmap on my YouTube. Please go to my YouTube. It's called a Data Science Roadmap for Students. It's basically saying what I would do now to study data science, and it's using some of the things that I did way back when. But use that roadmap. And the first thing I recommend in that roadmap is I recommend reading Mastery by Robert Greene. And I want you to think about and kind of do some personal reflection if data science is for you. I want to make sure that you're getting into data science for the right reasons, because it's a very serious profession. It's a serious profession that requires a lot of work. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be quick. You're not going to be a data scientist in 6 months or anything else that those crazy workshops or other influencers promise you. That's not possible. It's not. So that's the first thing I would recommend to you. Check out that video.